So this is zobo, also known as hibiscus drink, which has high laxative property, and it actually helps you lose weight. And not only that, it has high anti-aging properties and is a great skin supplement. Yes, I said so. So in this video, I'll show you how I make my fruity zobo wine with zero sugar, and it's really sweet, yummy, and very rich. Let's get into this video. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me once again. So if you're new to my channel, I'll appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell notifications icons right beside the subscribe button. And I would also appreciate if you like this video, drop a comment and share this video. So many people are looking for how to make nice, sweet, yummy zobo. So let's get into the video. Of course, I'll start this video by showing you my ingredients. I mean, everything I use to make my own zobo, my special zobo wine. And I will start by showing you the hibiscus leaves, also known as zobo leaves. Then I have 2 lemons, yes, because I'm trying to do a weight loss drink. So 2 lemons, yep. And then the next thing I'll show you is my canaperi or cloves. Yeah, cloves. Then after which I will show you my cinnamon and then garlic and ginger. I love to use my dried gingers when I'm making zobo because, you know, most times our gingers dry up. Then I have pineapple, of course, to sweeten. The next thing I want to do is pick up my lemon. I'm going to be cutting the 2 of them. I'm going to be cutting them into 2 and then squeezing the juice into a cup. Squeezing the juice into a cup. Yeah, if you have the lemon juice extractor, better for you. Then I'll just throw the backs into the pot I will be cooking my zobo in. Yes, I'm not going to be throwing it away. I'm going to throw the backs into the pots that I'm going to be cooking the zobo in. After which I will be storing my lemon juice in the fridge. So next I need the back of this pineapple to boil. So I will be cutting my pineapple at this point in time to get the back. So I'm going to be storing these pineapples in the fridge till I'm ready to juice them. But for now, let us blend our pineapple back. So I'll add the pineapple backs to the blender. The pineapple back to the blender to blend it alongside my other ingredients that I will be blending, which is me adding my garlic, my cinnamon, and then of course the ginger into the blender to blend all of them. Yes, I don't need to remove the back of my garlic and of the ginger because I'm boiling really hard, so I won't stress myself peeling all of this. Besides, these are almost dried, so I'm going to put them in the blender right away after piecing it into chunks so it could blend easily. I'll just throw all of it inside my blender to blend. Of course, I'm going to add water. So it eases the blending. So let's blend. So guys, my pot is on fire. I still have my lemon in it. I'll put in my hibiscus leaves, which is my zobo leaves. After that, after putting in my zobo leaves, I will add the blended pineapple and co. That's pineapple, ginger, cinnamon, and garlic. Yeah, I'll turn all of it into the pot. And then of course I'm going to add I'm trying to add some water. I'm trying to rinse it into there, but that's not it. I'm going to add my cloves to this pot right away. Yes, this is my cloves, so it's getting right into my pot. Yeah, put it all of it, like I said earlier, all of the cloves in there. After which, of course, I'll need to add more water. So I'm adding some more water to my pot. Adding some more water to my pot. I obviously need more water, like to fill up the pot or almost get the pot filled up. Yes, so more water, clean water, don't forget. Clean water, hygienic water to your pot. And then when you're sure you've put the quantity required for the size of the hibiscus leaves you have added, just look at it. Do you want yours to be thick? Do you want it to be watery? And then just look at it and add water to fit in. So when you've put enough water, just like I have, I'll turn on my gas and of course allow it to boil. Please, 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 you actually cannot close it. If you close it, it's going to affect it. So just leave it open to boil open. If you close it, it's going to spill everywhere and get your kitchen messy. I mean, get your gas messy, which is so annoying. So we are cooking the zobo. So kindly allow to cook for at least 5 minutes after it has started boiling. Allow to cook for at least 5 minutes after it has started boiling. And then make sure you monitor it so you don't mess up your environment. So here you go. 5 minutes later, our zobo is ready. Can you see this? Whoa, it's ready. So I really like to cover mine while it's cooling. So at this stage, I'll be leaving my zobo to cool before I sieve. So I like to leave mine covered while it's cooling. So before it gets cold or during that period, I now juice my pineapple. So this is absolutely zobo for the skin and for weight loss. So here you go. I have turmeric, which is good for the skin, and I have ginger, which I'm going to be using to juice my pineapple at this point. So let's juice pineapple. Let's do that right for our zobo already prepared. Okay. So after juicing the pineapple, I will definitely just put it in my fridge. I'll put it in the fridge so it stays cool while I'm waiting for my zobo to get cool too. So I'll just put this in my fridge when I'm done juicing actually. So here you go. This is what it looks like. Yep, I have my bottle filled with it. So I'm just going to cock it and save it as I have saved my lemon too. These are the two things I'll be adding to it. So guys, I'm honestly very sorry for the break in transmission, and that's because I forgot to film the process of sieving. Because the next thing you do after your zobo is cold enough, is cool, you sieve your zobo and then add the pineapple, which I have already juiced, and my lemon, which I already squeezed out the juice. Add them into it to get this formulation. It's thick, it's yummy, it's sweet, and you're adding pineapple to your taste. You're adding pineapple to taste however you want it. How sweet do you want it? Depends on your pineapple actually. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my recipe on how I make zobo. I mean, trust me, the taste is marvelous. It's so nice and rich. It actually helps at this point. It helps you to detoxify your system. Zobo is really good for weight loss, and not only that, it's also good for your skin. So guys, if you stayed with me to this point, please help me like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate. See you on my next video.